In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Copilot in Bing. Copilot is Microsoft's AI chat built right into Bing, so you can search the web and get helpful conversational answers in one place. First, open your favorite browser and go to bing.com. If you aren't signed in, take a moment to sign in with your Microsoft account. Being signed in ensures you get the full Copilot experience, including more consistent availability and features tailored to you. Next, look for the Copilot or Chat option on the Bing homepage. Depending on your layout, you'll see it in the top menu bar or just below the search box. Click it to open the AI Chat interface. A panel will appear with a prompt field labeled something like Message Copilot. That's where you'll type what you want help with. If the homepage looks a bit different because of your region or an interface test, don't worry. The Copilot entry point stays near the top of the page or under the search box. Now, ask for what you need in plain language. You can request explanations, plans, drafts, and more. For example, you might say, "Explain how blockchain works," if you want a clear, beginner-friendly overview. If you're planning a trip, try "Help plan a 3-day trip to Kyoto," and include travel dates or interests to make the itinerary more precise. If you need writing help, ask, "Write a friendly email asking for a deadline extension," and mention the tone you want and any key points to include. When you're ready, press Enter to send your message. Copilot will respond with generative AI answers that blend current web results with concise summaries, so you get context and sources in a readable format. If the response needs tweaking, simply follow up in the same chat. You can say things like, "Shorten that," "Make it more formal," or "Add restaurant suggestions near Gion," and Copilot will refine the answer. The clearer and more specific your prompt, the better the results, so it helps to include goals, constraints, or examples right in your message. Remember, the more context you provide, the more actionable the response becomes. That's all there is to it. Open Bing, sign in, click Copilot or Chat, type your request, press Enter, and let the AI do the heavy lifting by combining search with smart summarization. With just those steps, you can learn complex topics faster, plan smarter, and draft cleaner messages without jumping between tabs. Try a few different prompts to see how Copilot adapts, and build on each reply to get exactly what you need. Keep experimenting until the response fits your goal. With practice, you'll prompt faster and get sharper results.